Turtle.
So you're gonna blow some smoke?
Oh, they gave you that option?
Yeah, stepping on the marshmallow. But he's not last. That's pretty impressive.
She said she'd run a chair with me. I didn't know. I know. I
213
213 and 7.